you're really into making matcha the traditional way, you'll want to get a matcha whisk or a chasen. Cha meaning tea, sen meaning whisk. This is made from bamboo, handcrafted in Japan. This one has 100 tines, and it makes a very frothy beverage just from water and the powdered green tea. Now, you want to treat this carefully. You don't want to put it in a cabinet upside down and damp, because you could get mildew and attract dirt that way. So it comes with a special holder to keep it dry and clean. And when you're done, you simply put it this way and it will dry. And then once completely dry, after about 2 days, you can store it in a box in the cabinet as well. It will come curled when you open it out of your package, and as you use it over time, it will kind of open up like a flower. So you will notice that it will not go back in that package that it got shipped in. It's very nice. Wasn't too expensive. I got mine from Amazon, and you can find them for $5 to $10, sometimes up to $20. World Market sells these. Sometimes your Asian market will sell them. I looked at 3 Asian markets and I didn't see this, but I did find it at World Market. So you would be surprised where you can find these days. And then we are going to get this whisk ready by dipping it in the water very gently. And you're just trying to wet the tines so they kind of loosen up and that you won't damage them when you start whisking. And you just set that aside and you discard this water. So we're going to take this. If it is clumpy, then you would pre-sift this powder, but I just sifted it into this container so I know I won't have any lumps. And then I'm going to whisk it in an M or W shape, which is back and forth, and hold it about 1 centimeter or 2 off the bottom of the bowl. So I'm very gently and yet vigorously going to whisk this, if that makes any sense.